Hi, I'm here with Diego today. We're going to talk about his back pain and his recovery. So he's had an injury about 12 years ago where he injured his back. He's had a severe back pain episodes since then. And then about 3 years ago, your leg symptoms started, right?
Correct.
On his right leg. So 2 months ago, we took some ozone gas and under X-ray guidance, we injected it into the disc. And what that did was it shrunk some of the disc material, and it actually keeps on. It's going to keep on shrinking. But today we're going to use Discseel, which is a fibrin glue. And again, under X-ray guidance, we're going to put that fibrin into his discs. And what that's going to do is going to seal that disc. Over the next 2 months, his spine is going to heal, and hopefully, after 2 months, he has no more back pain, no more leg pain, and his spine is healed, and he's back to normal function.
Let's hope so.
All
Yes.
right, very good.
I'll be honest, and I'm happy to report that I have no pain. I don't have that nagging pain anymore, where when I used to wake up or get up from bed or even tie my shoes, I am very mobile. I have no pain whatsoever. I do have some soreness on and off, but nothing like it used to be before.
Excellent, excellent. This is great to hear. Now, what about the gym? I know that was one of your goals is to get back to the gym and be able to work out.
Yes, I started going back to the gym last month, gradually, very slowly and steadily. I have been working out pretty often. I would say 4 to 5 days per week, and I can see that I'm getting stronger.